Windows play a critical role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. Over time, however, they can start to show signs of wear and tear, and may no longer function as effectively as they once did. If you live in Manassas, Virginia, where the weather can fluctuate between hot summers and cold winters, it's especially important to ensure your windows are in top condition. Below, we explore some clear signs that indicate it might be time to replace your windows in your Manassas home. Drafts and poor insulation. One of the most common reasons homeowners need to replace their windows is poor insulation. If you feel drafts in your home, particularly near the windows, it's a sign that your windows are no longer sealing properly. In the summer, this can lead to your air conditioner working overtime, and in the winter, you may struggle to maintain a warm temperature inside your home. Windows that no longer form a tight seal around the frame allow outside air to seep in, making it harder to keep your home comfortable. Replacing old, inefficient windows with newer, energy-efficient models can help reduce these drafts and prevent your heating and cooling systems from working harder than they should. This not only makes your home more comfortable but can also lower your energy bills. Condensation between glass panes. Have you noticed fog, condensation, or moisture building up between the panes of your windows? This is a sign of a broken seal within your double or triple paned window. The seal is designed to keep moisture and air out, but once it's compromised, moisture can enter between the panes. This results in unsightly condensation and can further reduce the insulating properties of your windows. While cleaning the window might temporarily improve the appearance, it's unlikely that the issue will go away on its own. If you spot this problem, it's usually a clear indication that it's time to replace the window. Modern windows come with better sealing technologies that prevent moisture buildup and improve energy efficiency. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed that your energy bills have steadily risen, your old windows could be to blame. Older windows, especially those without modern insulation technologies, can let heat escape in the winter and allow warm air to enter during the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, which directly increases your utility costs. By replacing your windows with energy-efficient options, such as those with low-E glass or argon gas insulation, you can reduce your energy consumption and lower your monthly bills. Upgrading your windows is an investment that pays off by improving your home's overall energy efficiency. Difficulty opening and closing windows. Do you struggle to open or close your windows, or hear squeaking or grinding noises when you try? This is another sign that your windows may need replacing. Over time, window frames can become warped, swollen, or damaged, making them difficult to operate. This can also compromise your security, as windows that don't close properly might be easy targets for intruders. If you find that you can no longer easily open or close your windows, it's a good idea to consider replacing them with new, high-quality models that function smoothly and securely. Visible damage or wear. If your windows have visible damage such as cracks, chips, or rot, it's a clear sign that they need to be replaced. These types of damage can compromise the structural integrity of the window, letting in water and air that further deteriorates your home's insulation. Additionally, damaged windows can significantly affect your home's curb appeal and overall aesthetic. Replacing your windows will not only fix these functional issues but can also improve the appearance of your home. New windows can give your home a fresh, updated look, and they come in a variety of styles and materials that can enhance your home's design. Noise pollution. Living in Manassas, you may be familiar with the sounds of traffic, neighborhood activities, or local events. If you find that the noise from outside is consistently disrupting your peace inside, your windows could be the culprit. Older windows with single panes or poor insulation may let in more noise than newer, soundproofed models. Replacing your old windows with newer, energy-efficient options can help reduce outside noise, providing a quieter, more peaceful environment for your family. Aesthetics and home value. Windows are not just functional, they're a key element of your home's exterior. Over time, windows can lose their charm and make your home appear outdated or neglected. If your windows are fading, peeling, or simply no longer match the style of your home, replacing them can boost your curb appeal and enhance your home's value. When you replace your windows, you'll also have the opportunity to choose from a variety of modern styles and materials that complement your home's architecture, increasing its overall appeal and resale value. Conclusion. Windows are an essential part of your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above, drafts, condensation, difficulty opening and closing, or visible damage, it's time to consider replacing your windows. Investing in new, energy-efficient windows will not only improve your home's comfort and reduce energy bills, but it will also enhance your home's appearance and value. If you live in Manassas, Virginia, where the weather can be extreme, upgrading your windows is a smart choice to ensure your home remains comfortable year-round.